Welcome to m-hance presents the 12 Days of Hintmas with me, Sharon Keegan. On the 11th day of Hintmas, GP gave to me some new options on my inventory, particularly around items. The first one is with SmartList, and I'm going to show you this change for SmartList and then explain about a change to the way inventory itself is actually held. So if I look into my inventory and have a look at items, you can now see if an item is inactive. So that wasn't available to you previously. The field was always there on the table, but it wasn't visible in the SmartList view, but it is now. So you can see if something is inactive. That's the first thing. The second thing, and this is a change to the actual GP table. So this is a change to the way things are recorded and also will be visible in here in SmartList or on reports and so on, is if I go down here to the use, the system now records the user ID on the item table. So what does that mean? Okay, so it records the user ID who last changed this record. So whether it was added the record, modified the record, the last time this record changed in the table, you will have the user. You will also have dates and times if they were always there. So the user ID, it's not retrospective because obviously the information is not in the system. But it will now start automatically recording the user ID. And this is a field that you will see on other transactions. So for instance, if I was to go to my general ledger account transactions, I can actually go in here and see the user who posted. So this information was available on other tables within the system. So you could see who added a debtor, who added a creditor, that kind of thing, who was the last person to make a change. So now you can also see that under inventory items. Okay, hope that's of some use to you. Thanks for joining me and see you again soon.